Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A16 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, you are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which is actually very similar to the previous one. It's *#07#. And thanks to this code we can check the maximum SAR level, so we can check the head and the body of our device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which is probably the easiest one. It is *1234#. And as you can see, thanks to this we can check the firmware version, the Color OS version. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the phone software info. It is *6776#. And as I said, we are in the software version, so here we can check, let's say, technical info about the model, baseband version, kernel, or the branch. Let's get back and let me show you another code which will open the hardware revision on the other hand. It's *888#. And as you can see, we are in the engineer mode, so here we can check the PCB number. What's more, we can scan this QR code with another device and check more details. So let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics which are provided by Google. It's *##426###. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected, or signal level. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status again. And as you can see here, we've got more info, just like the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is ***225#***. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's get back and let me show you the last code which will open the feedback menu, and it is *800#. Give all the permissions, and as you can see, this code will open the feedback menu, which means that if you've got any problems with your device with the functionality, for example, if your device overheats a lot, or you've got some problems with the connection, the touch screen, keyboard, and so on, you can enter this code and you will be able to report the problems, the issues. So let me pick, for example, the touch option. Let's pretend that I've got problems with the screen and the touch option, and your device will ask you if you want to turn on the screen recording, which is quite a cool option because your device will simply catch every problems you get whilst using it and will save it, and then after sending the problem, it will be more visible. So let's tap on always allow, and all you have to do right now is to simply tap on start. Let's pretend that I did not see that. Let's tap on continue, and as you can see, the screen is recording right now. What's more, your device automatically turned on the pointer location, so it will catch any problems and it will be able to find any areas in which the touch option did not work. So after recording the whole problem, simply tap on next and wait a second until, of course, the log will be processed. It may take some time, and as you can see, we just got back to the feedback menu. Here we've got the information that the log has been saved. It showed also the location of it, so you will be able to report that problem and probably get some feedback from the developer. So actually this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your OPPO A16. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.